You making noise? Whoa!
That pop scared him.
I need more light. You go turn on the light real quick.
Russell, you want to see something funny? William eating the popcorn.
Where'd he go? Do you like some more of those? Oh, he's going for the bag.
He's like, I know what's up. I'm not some dumb little boy.
You sitting with me? Yeah.
Say, please? 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 Say, please? He's like...
All right.
You like that? It's so weird, huh? That's probably enough sugar.
Say bye-bye. William.
When we get him all
Will you wave
sugared
to
out,
me?
leave him with Grandma.
William. He's fixated on those. Ooh, you're gonna make him mad. He's seeing you. Say bye-bye. 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 William. La 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 la. Do it, baby.
Whatever.
All right, sleepy.